Hey YouTube, it's been a while. I'm back, and I'm back with a review. It's been so long since I've done a review, but this is your favorite beauty guru review. It's been like months. I'm sorry, I'm not sorry, but I've been like relaxing real cool. But today we're reviewing the Karruche Tran Colourpop Brown Sugar collection. In this collection, she has an eyeshadow palette, 4 lipsticks, 2 lip glosses, and 3, what are these called? Creme gel eyeliners, okay? So, I'm going to place a picture over here with everything so you can get a view of the packaging. It's very beautiful. I love it. If you know me, you know I love Karruche and I love Colourpop, and I'm gonna support my girl every time she comes through. So if you want to see how I got these look right here, then keep on watching. So first things first, don't mind these wet spots. My steamer with a little haywire, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, 2 things. If you know me, you know I love Colourpop and I love Karruche. Yeah, I love her. She always like be showing off, even though she's not really like dark skin or like brown skin. She always look out for us brown girls, and I fucks with it. Anyway, so Colourpop and Karruche Tran have teamed up now. I think maybe like, oh, I don't know, 3 or 4 times. So this is like the 4th collab, and you know I had to get it. I had to get it. Anyway, in this collection, she has 3 gel eyeliners, 4 lipsticks, 2 lip glosses, and a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Okay. All the packaging, I'm gonna show you. All the packaging pretty much looks like this. It's like this brown camo, and it says brown sugar on it. Girl, I'm a brown sugar baby, okay? I'm excited, like, but it all pretty much looks like this on the outside the box, and the eyeshadow palette looks like this. Ooh, it's sparkly. And then it comes with the mirror, and these are the 9 shades. I'm gonna insert a picture of the swatches of the shades somewhere, maybe over here. Over here on this side to hide the wet spot. But anyway, of the shades. But for right now, we about to just get into it, and I'm gonna show you everything. All the swatches of stuff, I'm gonna put a picture of the swatches I take on like my arm and put in the video to save us some time. Alright, so I don't really know what I'm doing with my eyes, but this base though, she flawless, so whatever I do, I can't mess it up. Let's just say that I cannot mess this base up, because I also got somewhere to go in a second. Anyway, so I know you lied. Alright, yeah, I like that color a lot. The first color we're going to be using is this color right here, and she's called Jamocha. Oh, I lied. She's called Amber. Scratch Jamocha. This is Amber, that's Jamocha. My bad. And it's called Amber. Okay, so now that we got our transition shade on, we need to deepen up the crease. Ow. I'm in a really good mood, if you can't tell. And to do that, we're gonna be using this. Wait a minute, cause this look like it's fitting to play a trick on the bitch. Anyway, to do that, we're gonna use this shade right here, and she's called Chalk. I don't like that name. Don't ask me why. I just don't. I just do not like it. Okay. All right, moving right along. I'm gonna do something super basic. Judge your mother. I don't really care, because this is what I want to do. And I've been feeling browns lately anyway. So, with that being said, we're getting ready to take this shade right here. And it's called Auburn. And we're gonna put this as our lid color, girl. Duh. Now we're just gonna take this blending brush and blend into our crease to fix that little bit of mistake that's right there. As you can see, it's like already gone.
Girl, in case y'all were wondering what we were doing.
Okay, I'm about to take this shade right here called Ginger, and it's gonna be my inner corner highlight because I can't do a look without it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Bruh, this is blinding. I love it. Okay. And now I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner from Colourpop. It's called Mr. Bing, and I'm gonna line my waterline before I put the shadow on the bottom. Alright, to smudge out the lower lash line, we're going back into that shade Chalk and just put it on the bottom. Put it on the bottom of the eye. Alright, so moving on, we're about to use the 3 Creme Gel Eyeliners. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to show you the shade I'm going to use. And the rest of them will be swatched down here. So this, I'm going to be using the shade Stew. It's pretty much just like a nice brown eyeliner. And it's in a pot form, which we like. I take down this tiny little itty bitty eyeliner brush from Real Techniques. Okay, so this is what the eyeliner looks like on my eye. To be quite honest, it's really not that dark, but I'm also really used to like a black liner at the top of my eye, and this is like super duper subtle. I like the color though. It's cute. I like it. Yes. I like it a lot. Okay, so I kind of sped through most of the eyeshadow because, like I said, I already know what Colourpop's eyeshadows I like. I like them a lot. I actually love them. So I'm already biased. I think the colors in the palette are the bomb. I love a good warm brown palette anyway. So the palette gets 2 thumbs up from me. Moving on to the lips. To do our lip swatching, I'm going to use the same lip pencil with all of them because realistically, I would not put on lipstick without lip liner. Judge your mother. And to do that, we're going to use K liner from who? Karruche. This is one of my favorite brown eyeliners ever. I got like 6 of these things, and the reason why I bought so many is because Colourpop be discontinuing stuff. Like, I don't have time for that. So, I got like 6 of these. And the first color we're going to try on is called Cinnamon. And it looks like this here. It just so happens to be the one that I thought was going to be my favorite too. So, ooh. I love it. I knew it. I don't need to try the rest on. I don't want to take this one off. I love this color brown. This is very like monochromatic. Am I giving you fall vibes? I hope I am. Because if I'm not, you got your seasons fucked up. Moving on. The next shade we're trying on is called Chocolatier, and it looks like this. This is the darkest shade of the lipsticks that she has. I love it. Anyway, this is the darkest shade of lipstick that she has in her collection. And this is what she looks like on the lips. I like it. It's darker than Cinnamon, so I feel like Mad Vampy or whatever. But she's super cute. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Next, this shade is called Brick, and she's like a mauve color. You see? Okay, like I said, this last shade is the lightest shade of the lipsticks, and it's called Butter, and she looks like this. I'm kind of scared, but then again, I wear light colored lipstick and brown liner all the time. So, oh, she's real cute. See? Without a brown liner though, I'm pretty 100% sure I would not be able to wear this color. But y'all seen that first swipe. I can't make this shit up. I know what I'm doing. But it looks so nice. Butter, baby. It went on like butter. Yeah. Next, we're going to be trying on the 2 lip glosses. And the first shade is called Dumpling. Oh, she light too. Oh my. We ain't never scared though. I don't like these wands. Colourpop. Put them back to the old ones. I don't like these ones. They stiff as hell. Ooh, she's cute. And I've been loving gloss lately. Ooh. Yes, gloss. What y'all think? I'm liking it. A lot. I like this shit a lot. Yep. I like it. Yep. I fucking like it. And the last but not least lip gloss shade is called Blowsy. I don't know. But this is what she looked like. She's cute. She got sparkles in it and she's kind of pink. And let's just see. Ooh, sis, I feel juicy, like extra juicy with this. Like, oh my gosh. Ooh, this is bumped. I love it. So that is all the lip shades, and I'll be right back with the outro. Okay, I'm back, and I applied my favorite lip combo, and that was Brick, Blowsy, and the K-liner. Look at this, honey child. Look, just, she's wet. She's juicy. I've been loving glossy lips lately. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. What's your favorite product? And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.